Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the LYFT application on your iOS device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store within your device, and once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in LYFT and start your search. Once you find the LYFT application, tap on it and you will see the install or get button. Just tap on this get button and this will begin the download and installation of the LYFT application. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the LYFT application. And now you can proceed through the get started button in order to sign up or log into your account to start using the LYFT app right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the LYFT application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.